Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. I am from NTTF Murbad. My course is Mechatronics and Smart Factory. And today I am going to present my soft talk topic, which are amplifiers. So these are the contents which I am going to explain in my presentation. Introduction. So what are amplifiers? Amplifiers are quite common but most important topics, even in our daily life also. So amplifiers is something which amplifies. So basically, amplifier is an electronic device which boosts the input power of a signal. It takes weak electrical signal and boosts its strength without altering the original content. So types of amplifier. Based on four criteria, amplifier are divided into many types. First criteria is based on signal type. There are three types of amplifiers. Voltage amplifiers, which amplify the voltage signals. Current amplifiers, which amplify the current signals. And power amplifiers, which amplify the power signals. Based on frequency range, there are five types of amplifiers. First is audio frequency amplifiers, which works in audio frequency range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Second is radio frequency amplifiers, which works in radio frequency range from 20 kHz to 300 GHz. Third is intermediate frequency amplifiers. Fourth is ultrasonic amplifiers, which works in ultrasonic frequency range above 20 kHz. Fifth is wideband amplifiers. Based on configuration, there are three types of amplifiers. First is common emitter amplifier, then common collector amplifier, then common base amplifiers. Based on applications, there are operational amplifiers, instrument amplifiers, and buffer amplifiers. So this is the in general working of amplifiers. Based on different types, the inside configuration may can change, but there are three stages in its working. First is input stage, in which it takes the input. Second is amplification stage, in which the control of larger current and the amplification occurs. And third is output stage. Here are some key points which you have to keep in mind for understanding the amplifiers more betterly. First is gain. Gain is the ratio of the output to the input of the amplifiers. Second is linearity. Linearity is nothing but the output should be the scaled version of input. Third is bandwidth. Bandwidth is the frequency in which the amplifier works. And fourth is impedance matching. Impedance means electrical resistance. So if the resistance of the source and load and the input and output is same, then there should be better power and efficient power transfer. So application of amplifiers. Amplifiers have vast application range. Here are some such as home theater, which are very common to us, radar system, in ECG for heart monitoring, in measurement and instrumentation, and in telecommunication. So advantages of amplifiers. Amplifier enhance the signal quality, enhance the sound processing, versatility in applications. I have told earlier that it has vast applications because it is compatible and is used in many applications. Because it is efficient in power use and it is compact and cost effective. There are some disadvantages also, not for all amplifiers, but in some cases, there are heat generation, distortion, there are bandwidth limitation, noise, and linearity issue. Thank you.